We have so many projects. Last year actually, we signed the phase 3 of UAE projects to assist Pakistan for more than 100 big projects in KBK and Balochistan. And we focus on the education, on the healthcare, on the infrastructure, and the water projects, agriculture, because we believe in UAE, or the leaders in UAE believe the education and the healthcare is really important for any nation. So also last month when the earthquake happened in Pakistan, we are the first country supporting the government of Pakistan, and because we are committed on that. We are committed, and we will continue our assistance and humanitarian projects, inshallah, in Pakistan.